Oxidation states displayed by iron. Iron is the fourth most abundant element in Earth crust after oxygen, silicon and aluminium. The chief ore of iron are hematite, magnetite and limonite. The preparation of iron involves the reduction of oxide by carbon in the blast furnace. The resulting metal contains a small portion of carbon. The carbon content of steel vary between 0.5 to 1.5%. The electronic configuration of iron, it involves 6 electrons in 3d orbital and 2 electrons in 4s2 orbital. Iron exhibits a number of oxidation states. However, unlike manganese, iron does not use all the valency electron in bonding to show the highest oxidation state. The highest oxidation state of iron is +6 and the main oxidation states are +2 and +3. The oxidation energy diagram of iron show that the +2 oxidation state is the stablest one and it is having no different from oxidation state 3. It is interesting to note that iron 2 and iron 3 state are much closer in stability. This is the reason why iron 2 and iron 3 solution are easily convertible. Why mild oxidizing or reducing agent. Binary compound of iron with oxidation state 2 and oxidation state 3 and others. So these are the oxides with oxidation state 2 and oxidation state 3, and these are the fullerite with oxidation state 2 and oxidation state 3, and these are the halide with oxidation state 2 and oxidation state 3. Next is the oxidation state 2 of iron. Iron 2 positive is one of the most common oxidation state and its salts are often called ferrous salt. They are well known as crystalline compound. Most of them are pale green and contains iron with 6 water ligand, and it can exist in aqueous solution. Iron 2 oxide. Iron 2 oxide is non-stoichiometric and deficient in iron. It is commonly has the formula iron with content 0.95. It is made by strongly heating iron 2 oxalate in vacuum and then quenching to prevent its disproportions. The crystalline iron oxide can be obtained only by stabilizing equilibrium condition at high temperature, then rapidly quenching the system, since at low temperature iron oxide is unstable with respect to iron and iron tetraoxides. The stoichiometric iron oxide has been prepared from iron oxide with content 0.95 and iron at 105 Kelvin and 50 atmospheric pressures. Next is the iron hydroxide, and it is also called white hydroxide. It is precipitated by the action of alkali on the solution of iron 2 salt, but it readily absorbs oxygen, turning dark green and then brown. The product being a mixed iron 2 and iron 3 hydroxide and hydrous with this formula respectively. The hydroxide dissolves not only in acids but also in concentrated aqueous sodium hydroxide, and from the solution the blue-green hydroxo complex with this formula may be crystallized. Next is the halide. Iron dissolved in halogen acid in the absence of air, and from the solution the hydrated dihalide with this formula. It is for fluorine having white color, for chlorine with this formula having pale green color, and for boron again pale green are obtained. Hydrated iron 2 chloride contains this formula is octahedral unit in which the two chlorine atoms occupy the tranche positions. Anhydrous iron fluoride and iron chloride made by the action of gaseous hydrogen halide on heated metal, as heating the element gives iron trifluoride and iron trichloride. Iron difluoride is sprangly soluble white solid which has the rutile structure. Iron dichloride is readily soluble, has the cadmium chloride layer structure, and form a pale green hydrated complex with this formula having 6 water ligand. This aqua ion is present in most iron 2 salts such as perchlorate, the sulfate, and the double salt with this formula. Next is the complexes. Iron 2 form a large number of complexes in which the coordination number of iron is 6. Most iron 2 complexes are octahedral. In aqueous solution it exists as pale green cations with this formula having 6 water ligand. This undergo oxidation slowly by air in the acid but is readily oxidized when hydroxide is precipitated in alkali. Iron 2 halide combined with gaseous ammonia to form the salt with this formula having 6 ammonia ligand, but in aqueous solution it decomposed and iron hydroxide is precipitated. With other ligand like ethylene diamine, 2,2-piperidines or 1,10-phenanthralenes, lower complexes stable in aqueous media are formed. The oxidation of iron with 1,10-phenanthrolenes with 2 plus oxidation state to blue iron with 1,10-phenanthrolenes with 3 plus oxidation state is more difficult than iron with oxidation state 2 having 6 water ligand and iron with 3 positive oxidation state with 6 water ligand. The brown ring test for nitrate and nitrites depend upon forming a brown complex having this formula. The best known complex of iron 2 oxidation state is the hexaferrate 2 having this formula with 6 cyanide ligand. It is a yellow colored solid and can be made by the action of cyanide ion on an iron 2 salt solution. Potassium ferrocyanide is used to test for iron in solution. Iron 2 plus ion give a white precipitate having this formula in this case. This iron having +2 oxidation state and this iron also having +2 oxidation state. What iron 3 plus ion give deep blue coloration. In this case, this iron having 3 plus oxidation state and this iron having 2 plus oxidation state, and it is known as prussine blue. A deep color is also produced by iron 2 plus with hexacyanoferrate 3 ions having this formula. In this case, this iron having 2 plus oxidation state and this having 3 plus oxidation state, and it is known as turnbull blue. So it is all about the complexes of iron 2 oxidation state.